Can I get a yeah?
We got the M behind us, who might want to F, but we'll see. Asking me if I was vlogging, so I said yes. Do I tell people on my channel? Not really. But you guys know me, I love everyone, so we gotta show them some respect and give them the thumbs up. No rear camera, by the way. But it's cool, he's like, vlogging? I can't talk! It is cool! It is cool! He's going slow now, so I can't really give him, how much slower could I go to give him the thumbs up? We'll still do it. We'll still do it. Puff some more weed. Thank you. So I give him the thumbs up. He's turning back there. But I swear to give him the thumbs up. He tried. That run I did with him, man, I did that whole blindly. I know these trees at the back of my hand. But I did that whole blindly, because this rear rock visor, it fogs up like anything, especially during the cold. Man up, son. Woman up, son. See, I use both. I don't just say man up, I say woman up too. Because females, they be hot. Why wouldn't you want a woman up? Why would you not want to be womaning up? But yeah, hopefully our GoPro isn't getting all humidified, personification, precipitation, evaporation. All that stuff isn't going down, man. It smells like steak. A sizzler for you, huh? Man, this dude's finna run us over some cones. Homie, stay in your lane. I know the street's like the back of my hand, and I ain't afraid to give you the back of my hand. Gets it? Young Drizzle. Isn't that a rapper name? Young Drizzle? Homie, don't pull out Jeep, or I'm gonna wheelie this, and that front wheel's gonna go up your ass to the passenger, to the driver window. Okay, we're slowing down. It's gonna get hotter. And by the way, all that stuff we did, sport mode. Not even a race. Not even slick.
Can I get a yeah?
I don't know why I did that. I can't see anything right now. I see red lights, but that's all I see. I don't see if it's I don't see any cars. Everything's just fogged up in a mug right now. I don't see shit. Ah, there you go. Oh man, it is beautiful out there, man. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
My AJV pista, and like
Yeah.
and the visor closes because it doesn't have. It only has this. You can close it. You can leave it open a little bit, or you can open it all the way. There's no in between. That whole track helmet. Puff some more weed. Calm down, calm down. I don't want to hit it too hard because the ground seems a little wet.
Yeah.
Can't tell, man. Homie, is it F? So hard. I think it's raining. Damn it. And and I'm not paying attention again. Yeah, it is raining. What the hell? The forecast said sunny days. F me. Okay, we might turn around then. I'm not going here then. Okay, you guys gotta give me a minute. I gotta figure this out. I'm not riding in the rain. This absolutely sucks. I'm not gonna wash off the camera just yet. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but you guys can hear me, and you guys can see me through there clearly. I'm not gonna wipe off the camera just yet, because I'd rather just find a gas station. I don't think it's raining. It's only foggy here because of mountains, but near the beach, it shouldn't be, because there's no mountains or any of that stuff nearby. There could be a fog coming in from the Mexican Ocean. I wish I paid attention to my environmental classes. It would have helped me out right about now, but I was too busy giving all my time to females and didn't pay attention. I can't tell if it's raining anymore. I think it is, but I just can't tell. There's an art school here, by the way, if you guys didn't know. I'm sorry, I can't stop. I should have stopped back there because those people wanted to go through. I can't see crap. It's all foggy and I just have to keep going. F it. I'm sorry for the cyclists back there. Said sunny days, homie. The weather report says sunny days. I'm not an idiot, that big of an idiot, that I come out if it said it's gonna rain today. The weather, okay, I guess it's just misty back there. It's clean over here. Yeah, it's getting cleaner here. I need to stop at a gas station and get some plots to clean myself up though. Can't believe you got rained on. The people telling the weather, man, they're straight hoes. Effing with my feelings and stuff, just playing with my heart. Quit playing with my heart, quit playing with my feelings. Wasn't that song with the Backstreet Boys or NSYNC? I can't remember. Quit playing games with my heart, homie. And homettes. Question, why is it only like foreign weather people be hot, like girls and stuff, but like in America and stuff, the weather people be all like, eh, why is that? Why can't we follow the same single logic of if you're gonna do weather reports, you gotta be smoking. I'm talking smoking hot. Man, I remember when I was younger, I used to watch all those Mexican soap stuff. What is it? Telenovela or something like that. I don't know. Soap operas. I used to watch so many of them. That was my thing, man. Cartoons F that. The chicks on there were so pretty, man, and the dudes. But I'm just like, the girls were just on another level. All right, so just to give you guys an update, it is not raining here, which is good. I'm guessing it's raining next to the mountains. The only bad part is that the right side of my visor is all like wet and foggy, so I can't see out of it. It's all like blurred. But the left side is all clean. It's just the right side that's all effed up. And I should have lane split out. I'm not paying attention. Alright, so we gotta find ourselves a gas station, get some paper clots, clean ourselves up, the visor and the stuff. And then I wanted to go back home this way as well, but I guess we're not gonna be doing that. Yeah, smooth move, dog. I don't smoke. Sorry about that, man. Lambo uterus. Okay, so it's not raining here. Over the curb. It's too tight up there, man. Alright, we're back. Let's get on the open streets and then let's start this. Hopefully the good thing is it's not raining here, and hopefully it won't rain. It's a good thing it's not raining here, and hopefully it won't rain, but my visor is fogging up like a mug. This dude's wearing a Chargers hat when he should be wearing a Rams hat, but it's whatever. Alright, it's whatever. Yeah, we're not going to be able to ride with the visor down because this is straight ass visor. Unless you have the pin lock thingy, I guess that's the only way it's going to work out. Otherwise, It's just not gonna. But yeah, that dude was asking for smokes. I'm just happy he didn't ask me to buy him smokes, because that would have been a very, very sad conversation I would have with him. That I am paying for your goddamn addictions, dog. But the good thing is he only asked for, do you have cigarettes? Man, F that, I don't smoke. But that dude smelled so much of smoke, even though he was like good 6 feet or more away from me. But yeah, there's a lot of homeless people out here. Wherever there's a beach in the world, there's always gonna be homeless people over there. You can't top that. Sir, it's a red light. You just gunned down a red light, sir. That's a Ferrari. But those old school ones, I don't like those old school ones.